Welcome back again to my channel. My name is Natia. If you're new to this channel, you are welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I make this amazing black seed oil for hair growth. So I'm going to be working with black seed today, and black seed, clove, and fenugreek seed. So this is basically how this black seed is looking. Black seed is very tiny, as you guys can see here. So I'm going to be working with this black seed today. Black seed have a lot of benefit when it comes to hair growth. It can stimulate hair growth and also stimulate new hair follicles. If you are struggling with thinning hair or shedding hair, you can use this oil and it's really gonna help you to restore your hair. Black seed also help with hair growth and maintain a healthy scalp, and also hydrates and nourish the hair, also treat dandruff and help to promote a new healthy hair. So this is basically how the looking. I've already blended them. If you already have a blended one at home, you can also go ahead and use this blended one, which is also fine. So the next ingredient that I'm going to be adding is clove. Clove also stimulates Glows also stimulate the hair and relieve dead follicles. Clove also help to moisturize your scalp. Clove also help to renew a hair growth, and it also treat dandruff. And what you have to do, you also have to blend the clove. Like I say, guys, if you have all these ingredients already blended, you can just go ahead. You don't need to blend them the way I'm blending it here. So after blending all these ingredients, and I will be adding them into this jar, and then I will go ahead and add 2 spoons of fenugreek powder into it, just to give it that extra taste. So fenugreek is also a rich sources of vitamin A, K, and C, fungal acid, potassium, calcium, iron, and protein, which are essential nutrients for hair growth. You guys know fenugreek seed is also very good. So after I added all this powder into my jar, and I went ahead to add my vitamin C oil, 2 spoons of vitamin C oil, tea tree oil, castor oil, and coconut oil. So this oil that I added here is optional for you. You can just use any oil of your choice. Any oil you have in hand is also very fine. So you don't have to, you can even use only one oil if you want, which is also fine. So after adding all this oil into this jar, you can go ahead and mix it very well together. You can close the jar and put it in a hot water for about 25 minutes to 30 minutes. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that red subscribing button. In this channel is all about everything, and we do mostly workout, healthy eating, and how to DIY oil like this to grow your natural hair at home. If you like my content, please don't forget to give your girl some like, subscribe, okay? So after that, I also went ahead to prepare some liquid, like a spray bottle for my hair, using the same ingredient and add fenugreek seed into it this time. And I just added 1 cup of water into this seed, and I placed both of them in the fire, and I let it cook for 20 to 30 minutes. So after this this seed have been cooking, this is the color it's giving me. It's just black color and beautiful. So I'm gonna be streaming the water liquid, and you can put it in any spray bottle, and you can spray water in your hair anytime. You can also use this water as a leave-in condition, or you can also rinse it out. For me, I use it as its leave-in condition. I just spray it into my hair every evening before I go to bed, and then I apply the oil as well. So the oil is ready now, and I'm also going to stream the oil, and then the oil will be ready to use. As you guys can see here, please just make sure to be patient before you stream this oil, because your girl was not patient enough. I almost burned my finger. So this is the oil. It's ready to use. You can use these two ingredients together, guys. You just have to be consistent with them. Spray the water into your hair. I will be sharing with you guys how I apply these two products into my hair. They are very easy to use. They are also for kids friendly. You can use it for your kids hair. If you have a relaxing hair, you can use this product. They don't have any harm into your hair at all, and you can spray it into your hair or put a plastic bag around it if you want to wash and rinse the water out after that. You can rinse it out. If you also want to go ahead and add some oil into the water, into the spray bottle, you can also add some essential oil into it and use it as a leave-in condition. And you can use this oil for if you have a braid or you have a twist. You can massage this oil into your scalp, and it's really going to moisturize your scalp for a long time, and it's really going to help to stimulate a new hair growth and help to strengthen all the roots, and as well as promote new healthy hair. So I hope you guys like and enjoy this video, and this is what I do in this channel, and I love doing them, and I hope you guys love watching the video as well. And if you know you do, please don't forget to give your girl some like, subscribe to my channel if you have not, and a big thanks to all my old subscribers. I really really appreciate your love. So hope to catch you all in my next one. Stay safe, stay positive. Much love to you all, and have a wonderful day. Bye.